This is my workaround for an oblong tire that you want to make it look like it's going in a circle. What I've done is go to the prop editor, and in my design I've made the tires have an inside. Because if you took the tire outside, you can see it wobbles. So I'm going to cancel that, but I created a inside part and I can rotate that. So now you actually have a tire that looks like it's going around. I've added those to my action menu, and there you go. I have rotating tires. I've also went with a little bit slower speed because I can go to the motion and I can always change the speed a little bit. I can make it go faster or slower. And then the same thing goes if you want to have a round tire. What I've done with this one is, again, it's just the center part that's actually moving in a circle. If I go into the prop key editor, you can see here I've got a back wheel. It's a oblong again, but I've done this with round tires also. And I have the inside where that rotates, and it looks like it's going in a circle.